Here's a drop top to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1999 Pontiac Trans Am Convertible, navy blue metallic, neutral interior, neutral top. Of course, a 5.7 liter V8 underneath the hood. As you can see, ram air hood and intake. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front fascia. This car has a clean Carfax, no accidents indicated on it, confirmed miles, just a little over 54,000 is all. And you can see paint shows well, nice shine to it. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out the still pictures. Over 100 pictures of this car online on our website. If you're watching this video on YouTube, just click on the link down below in the description. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. The 17-inch chrome wheels, brand new radial tires, just put on. Less than 50 miles on them. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, just those summer drives. Put it that way with that top down. Again, kind of the neutral taupe-colored interior. Leather seating surfaces. JBC aftermarket stereo has been put in. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. I'll show you the top functioning. And remember, if you stick around to the very end of this video, we're going to take this car for a drive, show you what it's like going down the road. We also consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You'll be able to see trunk pictures with the still pictures. There's a car cover back there. So take your time, once again, looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. This car would have the limited slip rear differential. Remember, we also have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. You want somebody to take a peek at this car for you. Maybe you can't make it yourself due to time or distance. Not a problem. We welcome those guys. Try to represent these cars as fairly as possible with all the pictures that are taken, walk around video, and of course the driving video. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Of course, your modern amenities that you're going to have with the power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Door panels look good. We have a power seat over here on the driver's side, and you can see seating surfaces are leather. Kind of just show the typical wear, wrinkling, like natural leather will do. Like I've said in previous videos, kind of just picture a nice quality leather shoe and how they wear and get wrinkles and comfortable. It's kind of what the seating surfaces do. You look at the carpeting. Of course, steering wheel controls. I can't confirm that they will work with that JVC stereo. We can try that here in just a bit when we start it up, and we'll check out the exact miles. Nice sounding exhaust, as you can hear. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Let's take a peek at this real quick. I'm going to turn this volume up here. I do not believe it probably coincides. That would be for a factory stereo. All right, so steering wheel controls in the stereo would be for factory stereo. Gauge is all working. 54,366. Top. Take a peek at the passenger seat. up to the front. I'm going to pause this 1 second. I want to get this hood popped so you can check out that 5.7 liter underneath there. So give me a second, we'll get the hood open. There's the hood pop. See the underside, again, cold air intake hood, ram air, I should say. Oh yes. Description of it, there's your ram air intake. 5.7 liter. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC. And remember, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. What was it, 54,366? And LS1. Alright. Let me pause this one more time. I'm going to close that hood. I'm going to show you this top going up and down so you can see how that functions. See, top functions as it should. Something I wanted to mention too, that JVC stereo does have Bluetooth capabilities, which is a nice upgrade on the stereo system. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Again, neutral color to match the interior. This is a fabric, not a vinyl, but a fabric. Top, side glass rolled up so you can see how that fits. Nice fit there. Glass rear window. Rear defog, electric rear defog. Not noticing any rips, tears, holes, very little wear. And passenger side glass also fits nicely. Back above the windshield. There you go. 1999 Pontiac Trans Am convertible, clean Carfax. No accidents indicated, actual miles. Ram air intake. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1999 Pontiac Firebird. This car is a convertible. We do have an automatic transmission right here on the center console. Easy to shift, easy to drive. Lovely sound to this car. Nice exhaust note. We have a JVC stereo in the dash. Let's see how she does on the road. Very nice acceleration. This car showing only 54,364 miles currently, and it does feel like a low mile car. Very good condition inside and out. Leather bucket seats, very comfortable. Very quiet convertible top as well. Leather strip and seals are doing their job well. Always like the hood, the ram air hood on these. And this does have it in that nice dark blue exterior paint color. Brakes are working well. All our gauges are working. The battery's charging over 14 volts. Fuel gauge is reading full. Temperature 190, that's right where it needs to be. And the oil pressure over 40. This car corners well, it doesn't lean very much. Kick down working on that automatic transmission as it should. Very nice condition. Firebird. You're going to want to look at all the pictures and read more about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.